11 secret baking soda tricks for women that will change your life. Welcome back, Healthline Champions. Today, we're revealing 10 secret baking soda tricks for women. Baking soda isn't just for baking. It's a versatile product with many surprising uses. Did you know you can use baking soda to freshen up your beauty tools? It's true. Simply mix a little baking soda with water and soak your brushes and sponges. You'll be amazed at how clean and fresh they become. Goodbye bacteria. Another handy trick is using baking soda to soothe bug bites and sunburns. Just mix a paste with water and apply it to the affected area for relief. For a natural and gentle exfoliant, mix baking soda with a little honey or coconut oil. Your skin will thank you for the gentle scrub and natural glow it provides. Baking soda can also be used to clean and deodorize your shoes. No more stinky feet. And if your hair needs a refresh, sprinkle a little baking soda at the roots for a quick dry shampoo. But wait, there's more. Did you know you can unclog drains with baking soda? Simply pour some down the drain followed by vinegar for a fizzing, natural drain cleaner. For a brighter smile, brush your teeth with a paste of baking soda and water. It's a cost-effective way to keep your pearly whites shining bright. Baking soda can even help neutralize odors in your fridge and freezer. Just leave an open box in the back to absorb any unwanted smells. To freshen up your laundry, add baking soda to your wash cycle for cleaner, brighter clothes. And for a DIY antacid, mix a teaspoon of baking soda with a glass of water for quick relief. There you have it, 10 secret baking soda tricks that will change your life. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Healthline Champions for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time with more health and lifestyle advice. Stay tuned, and remember, a little baking soda goes a long way.